Hello students, welcome to maths class. In chapter fractions, we have already done types of fractions, conversions, simplest form, equivalent fractions. And today we are going to continue with comparison of fractions. Now, what is the meaning of comparison? Comparison means here two fractions will be given and you will put sign of greater than, lesser than or equals to. Let's understand type 1 with example. Here first example is compare 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. Step 1, you will see the denominator. Here, as you can see, in first fraction denominator equals to 5. Again in second denominator equals to 5. So both denominators are same. Therefore, these two are like fractions. So, in like fraction, you will check the numerators. And you will put bigger sign towards the bigger numerator. Here, who is bigger, 2 or 7? Right, 7 is bigger. So 2 upon 5 is lesser than 7 upon 5. Or in other words, you can say that 7 upon 5 is bigger than 2 upon 5. So here what you have to remember that in like fractions, check numerators and put greater sign towards bigger numerator. Now let's understand with one more example. Here we have to compare 3 upon 19 and 2 upon 19. Step 1. See the denominators. Both denominators are equals to 19. So these two are like fractions. Now we will see the numerators. Who is bigger, 3 or 2? Right. Here 3 is bigger. Therefore 3 upon 19 is greater than 2 upon 19. So at the end we will write 3 upon 19 is greater and 2 upon 19 is smaller. Now let's see type 2. Here in type 2 we are going to compare 5 upon 3 and 5 upon 7. Now in the previous case denominators were same. And in this case, numerators are same. So, when numerators are same, we see denominators. Here, smaller denominator implies fraction is bigger. So, here 3 is smaller. So, 5 upon 3 is greater than 5 upon 7. Now let's see one more example. Here we have to compare 7 upon 19 and 7 upon 15. Now again numerators are same. So if numerators are same, small denominator gives bigger fraction. So here 7 upon 19 is lesser than 7 upon 15. Or you can say that 7 upon 15 bigger than 7 upon 19. Therefore, 7 upon 19 is smaller and 7 upon 15 is bigger. Now let's see type 3. In type 3, you have to compare 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 2. Now, step 1. Check the denominators. Here denominators are 5 and 2. So denominators are not same. So if denominators are not same, then we will check the numerators. Here numerators are also not same. Therefore, these two are unlike fractions. So, how we can compare unlike fractions? In unlike fractions, our first step is cross multiplication. So, here step 1 is cross multiplication. But here you have to remember one point, that you are not going to change the position of numerators. So here 3 upon 5 box 7 upon 2. What is the meaning of box? That we are going to check whether these two fractions are equal and or which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Now, position of numerators should be same. So here, first of all you will write 3 box, then you will write 7. Now 2 will go towards the first side. So here it comes 3 multiply 2. And 5 will go on the other side. So here it comes 7 multiply 5. What is the next step? Multiply. 3 2s are 6 box 7 5s are 35. Now here we know that 35 is bigger than 6. Therefore 3 upon 5 is lesser than 7 upon 2. So 3 upon 5 is the smaller fraction. 7 upon 2 is bigger fraction. Let's see one more example. Here you have to compare 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. So, again you will see the denominators. Denominators are 5 and 10. Denominators are not same. So, these two are unlike fractions. Now, next step, cross multiplication. So here we will not change the positions of numerators. Here it comes 3, here it comes 6. Now 10 will go with 3 and 5 will go with 6. So here it comes 3 multiplied by 10 box 6 multiplied by 5. So why we are putting box over here? Here we are comparing or checking. That's why we are putting box in between. So here 3 tens are 30. 5 6s are 30. So both are equals to 30. Now we know 30 equals to 30. Therefore 3 upon 5 equals to 6 upon 10. Or you can say that 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10 are equivalent fractions. Now let's see third example. Here you have to compare 9 upon 2 and 4 upon 3. First of all, check the denominators. Here denominator is 2 and here denominator is 3. Denominators are not same. That means these two are unlike fractions. Now next step, here we will do cross multiplication. So here 3 will move towards 9 and 2 will move towards 4. So what will come? 9 multiplied by 3 box 4 multiplied by 2. So now multiply. 9 3s are 27 box 4 2s are 8. Now students, which number is bigger? Right. 27 is bigger than 8. That means first fraction is bigger than second fraction. So here we will put 9 upon 2 and here we will write 4 upon 3 and again we will put same sign. So here it comes 9 upon 2 bigger than 4 upon 3 and at the end you will write 9 upon 2 is bigger and 4 upon 3 is smaller. So students, today we have done comparison of fractions. Now I hope with the help of this video, you all will be able to do the related sums given in the SNAP homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.